Freestyle. Freestyle. Free. My last girlfriend, yeah, she was a cheater. She said that she loved me never believe her. Anything me say right now, I just comedy, so don't take it serious. I love girls a lot, but sometimes them get really pissed off. But you have to grow enough to understand them. If you don't understand them enough, them come like pain in your ass life. If you don't treat them right, all hell broke loose. You not shit that you ain't gonna be shit. With girl now, if you gonna make big talk about oh you gonna mash her up, make she come 20 times, make rain fall when I daylight, all of that shit. If you don't meet that requirement to her, you're not afraid to tell her straight in her face. Little ass dick nigga. I know that kinda fuck up, cause uno girls now I put pressure on the nigga them. When you know well gifted, not that blessed. Cause most of the time it's alright when you have a big dick. It's okay to them. Them love that shit. But for the nigga them who have that liquor shit where make the girl them always a complain and give you bun for, you have sex with a girl tonight, trust me, her friend them are gonna know. She a call her friend and tell her friend before you reach her yard. You better pray to God say do your job. Her girlfriend already knows say she have sex. Girl, how was it? Them never say what it is when girl and girl talk. Them talking a codes. You see if you hear the liquor, she that be like, how was it? This nigga here, disrespectful motherfucker. Booyah! I know that nigga ain't shit. But if you know if you have a big dick, them don't want to talk about it. Girl, how was it? Ma go call you back tomorrow. Oh God. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what to do already. Comment, subscribe, and rate. Share this to your friend. Or your girlfriend. Or anybody. I don't care. Alright. I'm out.
Link and I run the city, dog. You stupid if you ask. Them other niggas broke, I swear to God, them need a cast. My watch light up, some call it Times Square. Pocket full of money, swear to God, it might tear. See